Decelerating for 0 airspeed drops. I'm able to decelerate that basket all the way down, or the mapping bucket all the way down without it starting to spin. Takes a high degree of skill. And the Georgia State Patrol Aviation Division has many very skilled pilots. And these pilots are homegrown. They found that it's easier to train a experienced law enforcement officer to be an aviation officer than vice versa. So all of our Georgia State Patrol aviation pilots are experienced state troopers who then make the transitions to the aviation section. All right, we'll be recovering.